Welcome to our DIY garden bench tutorial. Today, we'll transform simple lumber into a stylish, comfortable seating solution for your outdoor oasis. Let's start by gathering our materials and tools. You'll need quality lumber, screws, and essential woodworking tools for this project. Precision is key. We'll carefully measure and cut our boards to the perfect dimensions for a professional-looking result. Now, let's construct the frame. This is the backbone of your bench. We'll focus on creating a sturdy, durable structure. Time to protect your creation from the elements. We'll apply a weather-resistant finish to ensure your bench lasts for years. Next, we'll attach the seat boards, creating a comfortable and attractive seating surface. Proper spacing is crucial for both aesthetics and comfort. Let's enhance the stability with some clever support techniques. We'll add angled braces for extra strength. We'll discuss customizing the leg height for optimal comfort. Remember to smooth out those edges for safety and durability. Your bench is almost complete. Let's explore some design variations to make it uniquely yours. Ready to start your DIY garden bench project? Click the link below for more detailed instructions and tips.
Glimpses of you onto every passing mile.